6 months with the Apple Watch Ultra. Every single day. This thing? A beast. And the crazy part? Every week, I either find a hidden trick or blow someone's mind with one they never knew existed. Tip 1. Your watch is a flashlight. For real. This display is 2,000 nits of pure brightness. That's brighter than many of the phones available in the market in some conditions. Instead of reaching for your iPhone, just swipe up, tap the flashlight, and bam! You've got a wearable spotlight. Game changer. Tip 2. Protect your ears with sound alerts. Experience the world around you with heightened awareness. Whether it's the vibrant sounds of concerts, the rhythmic clatter of nearby construction, or the persistent barking of your neighbor's dog, you can stay informed by enabling environmental sound alerts in the Watch app. Simply set your desired decibel threshold and let your ears enjoy the peace of mind they deserve. Go to the Watch app, tap on noise and select Set a Decibel Threshold. Now, if your surroundings hit dangerous levels, your watch will warn you before your eardrums regret it. Tip 3. Boost battery life with low power mode. In contrast to iPhones, the low power mode on the Ultra offers a transformative experience, significantly enhancing battery efficiency and extending usage time when it matters most. It turns off always-on display, limits background processes, and extends battery life to 60 hours or more. Go to Settings and tap on Workouts. Then enable fewer GPS and heart rate readings for an even bigger boost. Tip 4. Secret Grayscale mode to save battery. Are you looking to extend your battery life to its maximum potential? Enable Grayscale mode under Accessibility. Your watch will look retro cool while squeezing out those extra hours. Perfect for long trips. Tip 5. Use any Apple Watch band. Don't confine yourself to just the Ultra bands. Any 45mm Apple Watch band is compatible, including the more affordable options. Plus, you'll love the versatility of Ultra bands, as they work seamlessly with 44mm and 45mm models of the Series 8, SE, and others. Feel free to mix and match styles to create a look that's uniquely yours. Do check out our extensive video on the best Apple Watch bands you can pair your handy beast with. Tip 6. Sleep tracking. It actually works. Never bothered with Apple's sleep tracking before? Same. Until I got the Ultra. Go to Settings and tap on Sleep and turn on sleep tracking. Gives you detailed insights into deep sleep, REM cycles, and bedtime consistency. If you don't like sleeping with your watch, try nightstand mode instead. Tap the screen and it shows the time. No blinding brightness. Tip 7. Custom watch faces for focus modes. Align your focus mode settings with a customized watch face to optimize your productivity and enhance your digital experience. By selecting a specific watch face that corresponds to your current task or activity, you can streamline notifications and personalize the visual interface, ensuring that you stay on track and maintain your focus throughout the day. Work? A clean, minimalist face with your calendar. Sleep? A simple clock with zero distractions. Set it once and your watch auto-switches based on your mode. Genius. Tip 8. Unlock your Mac. No password needed. Are you exhausted from repeatedly typing in your password every time you log into your accounts? Enable Unlock with Apple Watch in Mac system settings. Your Mac now unlocks instantly when you sit down. Tip 9. Hands-free Siri with Raise to Speak. Forget about saying, "Hey Siri." Simply raise your watch to your face and begin speaking. There are no buttons to press or wake words to remember. Just lift your wrist and let your voice flow. Tip 10. Watch YouTube on your wrist. Experience the ultimate inconvenience with WatchTube, an innovative app that allows you to stream and watch full YouTube videos seamlessly on your Ultra device. With its user-friendly interface and advanced features, you can enjoy your favorite content anywhere, anytime. Say goodbye to limitations and enjoy the freedom of watching videos without the traditional constraints. After all, why not elevate your viewing experience? Tip 11. Mirror your watch on your iPhone. Effortlessly manage your Apple Watch directly from your iPhone screen. This feature is ideal for enhancing accessibility, streamlining navigation, or simply showcasing the seamless integration between your devices. Enjoy the convenience of controlling your watch without needing to reach for it, making it a practical choice for both everyday tasks and special moments. Tip 12. Never get lost. Use Backtrack. If you find yourself lost during a hike, Backtrack is here to guide you. This innovative tool carefully retraces your steps, ensuring you won't meander in circles again. With Backtrack, regain your sense of direction and explore the great outdoors with confidence. Open Compass app and tap Backtrack and relax. Tip 13. Adjust text size. Instantly struggling with tiny text on your watch? No need to dig through settings. Just swipe down, tap the AA icon in Control Center, and adjust the text size on the fly. Perfect for when your eyes need a break. Tip 14. Turn off those annoying stand reminders. Let's be real. Sometimes you just don't need to be told to stand up. If you're working or just relaxing, go to the Watch app and tap Activity. Then turn off stand reminders. Enjoy the silence. Tip 15. Control your iPhone from your watch. Your iPhone might not always be in your hand, but guess what? You can still control it from your watch. Use assistive touches nearby devices to control your phone remotely. Scroll, swipe, or even tap. Perfect for when your iPhone is across the room. Go to Settings and tap Accessibility. Select Control Nearby Devices. Tip 16. Dive like a pro with Oceanic app. The Apple Watch Ultra isn't just for fitness. It's a full-on dive computer. Download the Oceanic app to get real-time depth, water temperature, and dive logs. Whether you're snorkeling or scuba diving, this turns your watch into an essential underwater tool. Tip 17. Use Walkie-Talkie. Anywhere need a quick way to talk without a signal? The Walkie-Talkie app lets you communicate instantly. Great for grocery stores, theme parks, or when your phone has no service. Open the Walkie-Talkie app and invite a friend. Finally, tap to talk. Simple and effective. Which hack blew your mind? Drop a comment. And if you love discovering new tricks, hit that subscribe button.